Alright, so this is a pretty interesting little thing. It's an ultrasonic plus UV combo cleaner for small items. This is marketed as a retainer cleaner, but the cool thing is you can actually use it to clean just about anything. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to test it to see how well it does. I'll go ahead and cut up the box, and the first couple of items I see are the power unit, a pair of tweezers, and a plastic moon-shaped plate for your retainers to sit on. Now, I'm not going to be using this plate because my intended use is not to clean retainers. What I actually want to use this for is for small jewelry. And the last thing to take out is the actual cleaner. So it seems like it's made out of hard plastic, and the dark area is a small opening where you can see your item as it's being cleaned. Be sure to read the manual. It has important information, however the most important things to note are this. Number 1, after 3 continuous use, you need to let the machine rest. And number 2, there are 4 modes. Pressing the power button will cycle through each mode. Now there are 4 modes, and it includes the following. Number 1, 5 minutes of ultrasonic with UV. Number 2, 10 minutes pulse with UV. Number 3, 10 minutes of ultrasonic only. And number 4, 10 minutes of UV only. Now I'm going to pour in some room temperature water, and there's a level indicator here, so you got to make sure that I don't go over that line. And I'm going to place 2 rings and 1 necklace in it and let it clean. And let's go ahead and do a time lapse here. And after the first try, I didn't really notice anything, so I'm going to try it a second time. So here we go again with another time lapse. And this time, when I took out the rings and necklace, I can visibly tell that some of the dark spots on the jewelry is gone. It's really hard to see on camera, but it really is gone. Also, the rings feel a lot smoother now too. So overall, I'm actually quite surprised that this ultrasonic cleaner actually did something. Now the manual does say that you can add a cleaning solution, but it doesn't specify which kind of solution is compatible. So if you're thinking of adding a cleaning solution, you should probably research on what you can use. However, for me, this is a pretty good result. So I do recommend it if you're looking for something like this.